everybody, welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you step into one of my videos, let me first quickly introduce myself. This is Amos Adventures. I travel with my dogs on board of my Jeep. I'm an amateur video maker, and here on YouTube I like to tell about my overland travels, about camping and gears, but most of all I'm here trying to give a few moments of pleasant entertainment through my images. As you guys may have noticed, I've recently done an important improvement to my camping setup. In fact, I've just changed my iKamper Skycamp 3 Mini with a new ALUCAB Gen3-R tent. And many of you guys have been asking me why I changed my tent, so I'm here today to explain the reasons that brought me to take this decision. But before that, I just want to go for a quick overall tour of the ALUCAB Gen3-R tent so that you can guys figure out the main characteristics of this product. But let me also take this opportunity to remind you that my videos are not sponsored, nor ALUCAB nor iKamper are paying me to do these reviews. I bought the iKamper previously and the ALUCAB now with my own money. But now let's see the tent. Okay, so let's start from the outside first. So here we have an aluminum shell. The dimensions are approximately 230 long and 140 centimeters wide. So it's good for two people. And honestly, myself inside with two dogs, I sleep very well. I mounted it on my front runner rack with some modifications. And the shape, yeah, it's a little bit squared. Some people do not like it. Me, honestly, I do like it. Obviously, the tent comes with its telescopic leather, but me, I prefer to install this fixed leather here outside. This is from Front Runner, and I think it's more useful to me because it's always there, it's fixed. I don't have to bring in and out of the tent or in and out of the car the telescopic leather. And up to now, I'm very happy I did that. This leather is quite solid and it allows me to easily jump in. I can also step onto my fender and easily jump on the tent. Plus, something I really like about this tent, thanks to the aluminum shell, they made some rails here on the top, so it allows you to mount stuff on top of the tent. I installed two load bars and I put on top of them a solar panel and my recovery pads, but I know people also bring their sports stuff on top of the ALUCAB. For instance, I don't know, bicycles, kayaks, whatever your sport is, just pay attention not to exceed 50 kilograms of load. And another thing that I love so much about the ALUCAB is that it comes already pre-wired. Like here, you can directly plug in and have power inside the tent, or also plug in the solar panel cable in order to recharge your battery. And let's now see how to open it. So that's it. Very easy, super quick, and it's done in like 2 seconds and your bed is ready. You can go to sleep. All right, I'm gonna show you now the inside of the tent. If I manage to jump in only with one hand. Perfect. All right, we're in. Okay, this is the inside. Looks awesome. You know that sensation when you just feel home. That's what I feel like here inside. So we've got 3 windows on the 3 sides. Each one has also, of course, the mosquito net. And here we have some pockets, very useful, with PVC and like that. All right. I don't know actually if to sleep like with the head that way or the other way. I don't know. I tried both. I think I like more to sleep with my head like this way, so that when I wake up, what I see is this. I have the view outside. So I think this is the best way to sleep inside this tent, but you can also sleep with your head in the opposite side. We have this, which is an income for the pipe of the diesel heater. So it's already done. It's already here. You don't have to do anything, or you don't have to make it pass through the windows. There is already this hole. You can use it. I used it once. It's a little bit tight, but I managed. It's from in one side, and it's present also here on the other side. We have a light there on the top, and also another little window for preventing condensation. You can open it at night and let some air get in. The switch is here. The switch of the light is here. So you have 2 USB sockets here. The mattress is quite comfortable, and under the mattress you have this net, anti-condensation, like a couple of centimeters. There is plenty of room here, guys. Really a lot of room. Also in height, you can nearly stand up. I love it. The materials are very good. You hear the sound of this material. It's definitely not a plastic sensation, it's more fabric. I love it. Also the windows, it sounds quality, because yes, guys, quality has its own sound. We have to learn how to recognize quality, not only through the look, but also through the sound, the sound of quality, the sound of quality. The sound of quality. Sound of quality. Shit! Stay there. Fuck off. Okay, so now you have seen some of the main features of the ALUCAB tent. So now I'm going to tell you why I replaced my iKamper with this one. Now, if you are following me since a bit, you know how much I loved the Skycamp, and everything I said about the tent is still valid. I still believe that the iKamper Skycamp 3 is one of the best rooftop tent on the market today, and if you missed my specific review of the tent, have a look at here. Okay, so why did I change it? Mainly for the following 2 reasons. First, I thought that, according to my needs, a tent that opens up like the ALUCAB, so remaining into the shape of the car, would have been better to me. In fact, with this kind of tent, the opening and closing are even quicker than before, and the bed is always ready. Moving almost every day when traveling, now opening the tent is the very last thing that I do at night, as well as in the morning. Packing up the tent in a few seconds, leaving everything inside the tent is very practical. Second, having already the ALUCAB 270 shadow awning, I was looking forward to complete the setup also with the tent. And I love how it looks on my Jeep. What do you think? The only thing I regret is that I had to give up to the best option rider, so to the possibility of opening the front roof here, which was something that I really love to do and something I really love about the Wranglers, but it's fine. And you know guys, we have to consider some compromises when we make this kind of overland travel. Okay guys, so these are mainly the reasons why I went for the ALUCAB. If you are thinking to get an iKamper Skycamp, go for it. It's a valid product. Everything I said before about the tent is still valid. I still am in love with that tent. I'm sure I will miss mine, but I'm glad that one subscriber got it, so it will be fine. I just wanted to change. I just wanted to try the new one, and now I can't wait to live thousands of new adventures with this setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you to the next adventure.